Hello everyone, welcome to the channel QCC Guide. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today our topic is to draw the walls. In the previous tutorial 02, I defined you how to set the elevations and how to add the floor plans. In today's video I show you how to draw the walls. So let's get started. Open your construction template, go to the architecture tab, then click on the wall. So here are the options of the walls. We can edit that, we can change their sizes. I can show you. So let's take the generic 4-inch brick wall. Okay, so we need the 9-inch wall for the exterior. So we can go to the edit type, then you can make the duplicate and make it 9 inches. Click OK, then go to the structure, edit that, add 9 inches there, click OK, click OK. So here we are the 9 inches brick. So click on that. Before starting you can first you need to determine how much your height of the wall should be. So what you need to do is go to unconnected height and do it 12 feet. Because your roof is on the 12 feet. If your roof is on the 11 feet or 10 feet, you can edit that. So click apply, draw the walls there. So if your length of the wall is, for example, your room is 12 feet into 12, so you can add 12 feet here, click OK. See, the 3D view is also created automatically if you draw the wall in 2D. So 12 feet at that side, 12 feet at that side, and 12 feet at that side. So here our room is created, and you can also see that in 3D view. It's very simple and easiest way to draw the wall. If you need to draw the other room, you can also extend it by this way. You can change their length, height, width, whatever in the properties tab. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching QCC Guide. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.